students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are revising letter writing, in which we are discussing format of the letters, how we should start writing a formal letter, and what are the closing lines. So we are discussing all these things which we have discussed already. So this is the second time we are going to discuss all the things. Not going to discuss, we have been discussing all these things. Okay. So as of now, in my last video, we have discussed a letter for making an order, and letter for making an enquiry. So for placing an order and for making a request for any enquiry. Okay, so we have discussed two types of letter. So today we are going to discuss uh, letter for cancelling the orders and other types of complaining letters. So let us begin. A letter for cancelling of order, cancellation of order. As manager of an established hotel in Agra, you have been asked to cancel an order for furnishings that were placed to Horizons Furnishings, New Delhi. Invent details. So here, dear students, we are going to write a letter for cancellation of an order. So when you have to write such kind of letters, so first you have to write some value points, like what can be the reason behind it for cancellation of order. What are the reasons you must include? Why are you cancelling your order? Is there any delay in delivery or any other issue? So you must mention in your letter. You must mention order number and the date on which you have ordered for the items. Okay, so you must include void cash memo number. All these things must be included. Okay, so first, dear students, as you know very well, we have to write the sender's address, which is JP Hotel. Then you have to leave here one line. Okay, then date. After date, receiver's address. After date, you should write receiver's address. Then subject, and subject should be in phrase. Don't write a full sentence. Your subject, it always should be in phrase. Then, dear sir, salutation. Kindly refer to the letter number. So dear students, you must mention the letter number, order number which you are going to cancel. Okay, you must mention it on the date on which you ordered. Okay, so kindly refer to the letter number 345 JP Hotel furnishings dated this with an order for bed linen, curtains, upholstery was placed with you. We are in receipt of acknowledgement from your side. So in the first paragraph, it is an introductory paragraph, so you have to give introduction only. Okay, so only introduction, a purpose of writing the letters should be mentioned in first paragraph. Now in the next paragraph, you will have to tell the detail As per the order, the goods were to be delivered by 25th February. As dear students, I told you in the beginning there should be a reason for cancelling the order. So what is the reason? The reason is the delay in delivery. You are cancelling the order because delivery was not made on the date which was decided for the delivery. Okay. Then we have not received any consignment, as you have discussed, as you have mentioned the reason was that the delivery was expected to be made by 25th February, but it has not been made till you are writing the letter. By 25 February, but we have not received any consignment from your side till date, and there is no correspondence to that effect either. This has put us in a very difficult situation. So here you are mentioning this because of that you are in a very bad situation, difficult situation. So this has put us, must mention your problem which you are facing because of delay in delivery. Okay, this is very important line which you must use in all types of letters cancelling for order. Okay, so this line which I am underlining here. So this put us in a very difficult situation, and we are in favor of the business and we are not in favor of the business ethics displayed. Business ethics displayed. You must mention this line as it is very important line. And then next paragraph, closing paragraph. In view of the above, we are constrained to cancel. So here we are compelled, we are constrained to cancel the order and will not entertain any further correspondence in this regard. Moreover, the consignment, if it reaches us, will not be accepted. Yours truly. Now your signature here, name and designation. Okay, dear students, so this is how we write a letter for cancelling the orders. So here students, I am showing you earlier I have shown you two solved letters. If you will go through the solved letters, you will get idea by mixing your own ideas to that idea, you will make a creative content. So that is why it is very important for us to go through the solved letters. So whatever the line you think it is important, it can be included in all types of letters. Note down that line and remember that line. Okay, it will save your time in examination too. Now, letter of complaint we are going to discuss now. You recently bought a mobile phone for your grandmother on her 60th birthday from the spice shop Lajpat Nagar. However, now within 2 months of the purchase, the phone isn't getting charged and the screen light has gone too. Write a letter to the proprietor complaining about the substandard product sold to you. Okay, so this is the question. Once again, this is a complaining letter about a product. You have bought a mobile phone from this store, and now that mobile phone is not working properly, so you have to complain regarding the same. So first, dear students, you know very well your address, and try to write your address at least in 3 lines. After that, you will have to leave a line, then date, as you know very well, then the receiver's address this way, Lajpat Nagar. You must write here New Delhi also. Okay, then you are complaining about faulty mobile. So what is the subject? Complaint about faulty LG mobile phones. So in this letter also, in the beginning, in the introductory paragraph, you need to mention all the things, what product you bought, on which date, what was the cash memo number. So each and everything you need to mention in the beginning of the letter. Dear sir, kindly refer to bill number 4569 dated 12th January 2020, whatever it is, 2018, wide with a mobile handset Lumia 5 of Nokia company. Okay. So you must remind him what was the here what is written, faulty LG mobile, na? So you should write here LG mobile instead of Nokia. It doesn't matter, according to question you can change it. Okay, so in the first paragraph you will have to tell the shopkeeper, the shop owner, that what you have purchased, what was your what is your bill number, and at which date you have purchased. You must mention all these things. However, within 2 months of purchase, the phone has developed a number of problems. Now you have to disclose all the problems, you have to mention all the problems in detail. The handset is not getting charged and is operational only when it is plugged. We even got the battery checked, but there seems to be no problem with the battery. Okay, so here you are mentioning what type of problem you are facing. To add to our woes, within a week the screen light got diffused too. Okay, dear students, so in this paragraph you have mentioned all the problems which you are facing in the mobile. Then, since the product is still under guarantee period, I am enclosing the photocopy of the bill and sending the phone to be replaced or repaired at the earliest. Now yours truly, then your signature and name. Okay, dear students, so this is how we write a letter to complain about a faulty product. Okay. Now, so as we are going through all types of complaining letters, so first we have gone through the letters in which we complained regarding complaint regarding faulty product, and also we have gone through the letter which was about cancellation of order. Now letters of complaints, civic amenities. Okay, now we are going to go through such types of letter. You are Muhammad Irshad of B block Nand Nagri. Write a letter to municipal Commissioner MCD complaining about poor sanitary condition in your area. So this is the question on which you have to write a letter. First you will have to write your own address and try to write your address in 3 lines. Okay dear students, it is not mandatory, but try to write your address in 3 lines. Then after leaving a blank line, you all know very well, you have to write date, Municipal Commissioner MCD is New Delhi. Subject complaint regarding poor sanitary conditions in Nandnagri. Okay. After subject you have to write salutations sir. Don't put comma after sir, it is wrong here. Okay. Using comma after sir is considered wrong. So in modern letter we don't use comma after sir. Okay. Now here you are facing some issues regarding sanitary condition. So first of all you must mention where do you live, then what type of problem you are facing, where you have complained, and which authority is not taking any step to solve your problems. Then you will have to request for the same. So I am a resident of D block Nandnagri. I am writing this letter to complain about poor sanitary conditions in the area. You can also start such types of letters with this line: on the behalf of the residents of Nandnagri, I would like to draw your kind attention towards the subject mentioned above. You can also such types of letters can be you can start this line, you can also start this way: on on behalf of the residents of Nandnagri on behalf of the residents of Nandnagri, then comma, then I would like to draw your kind attention kind attention towards, let me write on the board now, then it will be easier for you to understand. So look at the board, I am going to write it on the board. On behalf of the residents of Nandnagri, I would like to draw your kind attention towards the subject mentioned above. Okay, dear students. So, on behalf of the residents of Nandanagri, I would like to draw your kind attention towards the subject mentioned above. So, we can also start this letter this way. Okay. Then you have to letter give the detail. The roads are not swept for days. Consequently, heaps of the garbage can be seen here and there. Also, the drains remain choked and overflow. In addition to it, the chalk drains are a breeding ground for mosquitoes. The situation turns worse during rainy season. As a result, residents suffer from various diseases like malaria, dengue, etc. I look forward to quick resolution of the problem. So, dear students, you can also mention that you have already complained this issue to local authorities, but they have not taken any suitable action as of now. Okay, so we can also add these lines. You can also write more issues, more problems which are taking place because of this sanitary condition. Okay, dear students. So, then thank you. Yours truly or faithfully, signature Mohammed Irshad. Okay. Now, here we are going to discuss now letter to the principal. So, it is when we write a letter to the principal, it is considered semi-formal letter. So, such types of letters are semi-formal. Okay, dear students. You are the head boy girl of SKVFU block Rohini. The students have been complaining to you about shortage of cold drinking water outlets in the school. Write a letter to the principal of the school requesting for one more water cooler in the school. So here as students are complaining regarding water cooler, regarding they are not getting cold water to drink. There is a shortage of cold water, shortage of water cooler. So you will have to write a letter for the same. Now, the principal, this is semi-formal letter. You need not write your address here. So directly you will be addressing your principal. Okay. So the principal SKVFU block Rohini, then date after leaving a blank line, then date, subject request for more water coolers. Then sir, madam, I would like to bring your notice the problems being faced by the students due to inadequate number of water cooler in the school. So in the first paragraph you will have to give the introduction. So here either sir or madam. Okay, you cannot write both, either sir or madam. Okay, you will have to write. Then what are the problem? First you have written the problem of water cooler, shortage of water cooler. There is no inadequate number of water coolers in your school. So what are the problems the students are facing because of that? So long queues of students, especially during recess, can be seen in front of the only water cooler in the school. This sometimes leads to quarrels and delay in going back to classes. Okay, so you have given the reason because of shortage of water coolers, what type of problem the students are facing. So you are requested to get some more coolers installed in the school premises. Most students complain that there isn't enough water for everyone, especially during recess period. The increasing temperature has increased the demand of drinkable water. So such lines you can use in your letter to make it more attractive, more informative. One more water cooler on the first floor of secondary where it should be installed, you will have to mention. So one more water cooler on the first floor of secondary block would resolve the issue to a great extent. Therefore, you are requested to take necessary step for installing a branded 300-liter water cooler in the school as early as possible. So here you have requested for installation of a water cooler. So thank you. Yours obediently, your signature, name, your designation, head boy. Okay, dear students. So these are the letters of complaining in which we have seen, we have gone through the letters of complaining regarding product, letters of complaining regarding civic problems, and this is letters, this is an application to principal, letter to principal. Okay. So now letter to editor is it is not in your syllabus. Okay, so you need not go through letter to editor. This will you will go through in your class 12th. Okay, next year. So it is not in your syllabus. Job application also is not in your syllabus. Till last year it was in your syllabus, but this year CBSE deleted it from your syllabus due to COVID-19. You know, your syllabus has been reduced to 20%. So that is why job application and letter to editor, it is not in your syllabus. Okay, so you need not practice them. So dear students, let me show you once again what types of letter we have to gone through in class 11th. Letter for making inquiries we have gone through, placing orders and sending replies we have gone through, cancelling orders we have gone through, letters of complaint product we have gone through, letters of complaint civic amenities we have gone through, letters of request, heads of educational institutes or college authorities regarding admission, school issue, requirements, suitability of the course we have gone through, and these two types of letters are not there in your syllabus this year. So thus students, we have finished all types of letters. There are so many questions for practice have been given. So let me show you. You can take the screenshot, or you all are having the supporting materials as I have shared it in your WhatsApp group. So from there you can practice them well. Okay, dear students. Thus practice can be done from there. Now these are the questions for practice. Okay, dear students, questions for practice. So you need not practice those questions which are based on job applications and letter to editor. Rest questions you will have to practice. Okay, dear students, already you are having this material with you. I have shared with you. So please students, practice all the questions seriously. There are ample of questions in this material you will find for your practice. Okay. So this is all about letter writing. If any doubt, let me know in online classes, and the same will be discussed in online classes. So thank you students for watching the video. See you with a new topic. In the next video I will discuss about poster making. Okay, dear students, already we have gone through this topic as we are revising all the chapters. So in the next video we will be discussing poster making. So thank you students for watching the video. See you tomorrow in the next video with a new chapter.